Hello everyone, this is the first video I'm gonna do, and then today I'm gonna open up some Pyromaniax.com 1 week ago when it already arrived. So let's see if we can open up this without destroying anything. We should get some stickers. Gum plus 2G plus. Gum. I think you ordered 10 of these, so that's 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Then I ordered these ones. These are the RC1 Danger Petardi, and I think it says 60 in one. So the 2 of those, really cheap. So yeah, let's go with the unboxing of them. Yeah, first we're gonna open up these RC1s. Really hard to open again, of course. They used to be. These are really small, but I think they give a good sound. So yeah, so here they are. How the fuck do you open this one? Yeah, like this.
Oh.
They're really small, but they're really fun to play with, I think. So we're gonna open up one dumb G plus 2G plus package. Here they are. This is one. It's like 5 centimeters. And yeah, I'm gonna go on a video when I try this out. So subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video and the boxing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.